So this cart was pretty easy to organize and assemble. There's metal poles on the side that you put in separately, and then these baskets are plastic. They have these cute little stars on the bottom. Don't assemble around any fur babies because the hair will get on them. Let's see. It comes with these little holders to put pens or brushes or whatever you want. And this rolls pretty easy. You can have it locked or unlocked, and then you can pull it around. It works smoothly on carpet.
It's very sturdy, very easy to put together. Even came with its own screwdriver and wrench. These 3 can be put anywhere, and they're very secure. Filled some of my brushes, put all my paints on the top level. Anything else I use here, my palettes down here. I have plenty of room, plenty of space. And as soon as I use all of these up, then I'll have more room for my bigger paint tubes. Got wheels, so
you can see it wobbling a little bit here. This cart was nice, easy, it's sturdy, put together very well. There's one problem. One of the screws for the caster, this one in the front right corner is not flush and square, so that one is causing it to wobble because that one caster is out of alignment.